I held her close to me, 'cause I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her that it wouldn't matter, I'll try to console her. She just do the best she could, but there are times the best is no damn good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a boy